In this video, we are going to see which books are available in Islamic Audiobooks app. This is a typical home screen of the application with the sliders on the top, which gives you latest and updated information relevant to the application, and the four main categories in the middle, and with the home, share and menu buttons at the bottom. Looking at the categories one by one, we have Quran, Hadith, Seerah and Azkar. Let's go to the first category, Quran. In Quran, we have currently two books, Tafsir ibn Kathir in Urdu and in English. English book to be published soon. Let's look at Tafsir ibn Kathir Urdu. This has all the surahs of the Quran. Clicking on the details will give you more information about the book in English and Urdu. Going to the home screen and to another category, Hadith. Hadith currently has Mishkatul Masabi, which is also known as the Encyclopedia of Hadith. In this book, we have chapters and subchapters. Clicking on the chapter will take you to subchapter, and on the subchapter you will find all the audio files listed. Going to the third category, Seerah, which has Shamail Muhammadiyah. Clicking on the details will give you more information about the book in English and Urdu. And finally, we have Azkar, where you have your daily Azkar and Du'ain. Details will give you more information about this book as well. So this is a typical main screen with the four main categories of Islamic audiobooks.